Buffy is produced by Mutant Enemy, which is my company. The name comes from the name I gave my first typewriter when I was 15.
Grr, arg.
The logo was devised because our head of post came to me and said, you need a logo and we have 20 minutes. So I drew a little man and then I had him make him go across the screen, and then I recorded him saying "Grr arg." I've always been interested in vampires, I think, because of the isolation they feel. They're in the world but not of it. As a child, I always felt the same way, and Buffy deals with that kind of alienation. Every vampire story I've ever seen has its own mythology, and we tried to develop our own. Sometimes an older vampire might crumble into dust, but we have them all explode into dust, even if they're freshly dead. The vampires explode into dust because it's practically useful. For one thing, it shows that they're monsters. I didn't really want to have a high school girl killing people every week. For another reason, you don't have to clean up bodies for 20 minutes at the end of every show, and it also looks really cool. The Angel episode is the one where we finally get to find out what it is about Angel's past that he's been hiding from Buffy. He's 100% the wrong guy for Buffy, so naturally, she can't get enough of him.
I really can't be around you, because when I am...
Hey, no big. Water. Over the bridge. Under the bridge, over the dam.
Badly I want to kiss you.
Kiss me?
Buffy and Angel do actually kiss in this episode for the first time. Basically, Sarah and David had a breath off. They both ate as many horrible things as they could before they kissed, just to be fun. We knew very early on that we wanted to do, the classic evil ventriloquist dummy show. But we also wanted to put a spin on it.
I'm the one with the talent here. The kid's dead weight.
Fighting with a dummy, again, is difficult. There were occasions where we used a little person in a mask for some shots. We had Sarah, pinned down so that it was a fair fight. In this episode, the kids are forced to be in the talent show, and we learn that none of them have any talent. We shot a closing credit sequence that is their performance of a dramatic scene in the talent show. We were only allowed to air it once.
And,
It took us longer to film than anything we've ever done because nobody could stop laughing. They were just so good at acting bad.